If you would like to start your coding journey and you would like to run your first HTML file, so this video is for you. So to run your HTML file and start your coding journey, for that, first of all, we will install a VS Code, an editor. It means that to write a code and edit our code and run our code, okay, we will install an editor for that. So we have different types of editors. Okay, some people use Notepad and Notepad plus plus and Sublime and VS Code, but we will use VS Code editor, which is a very good editor, okay, for writing code. It is provided by Microsoft company. So first of all, we will install VS Code editor. So for that, simply come here to the Google Chrome or any browser and write VS Code. So after writing VS Code, you will come here to the official website of vcode.visual studio. Okay, VS Code, it means Visual Studio Code. Okay, come here to the download section. Okay, press the download link. After that, if you are using Mac or Linux or Windows, so just download that. Okay, if you are using Windows, press this button, it will be downloaded for your Windows operating system. So after downloading VS Code, just install that. Okay, I have already installed the VS Code editor, so I have opened the VS Code editor. After opening VS Code editor, what you should do, simply come here to the your hard drive and create a new folder. Okay, so I have created a new folder by the name of coding. So after that, here in this coding folder, I will write my HTML files, my coding files. Okay, I will save them here in this coding folder. Now come here to the Visual Studio Code editor. After that, press on file. After pressing that, open folder. After opening folder, just come here and here press coding. Okay, and select folder. The coding folder has been opened in VS Code editor. See, coding. Now we will create our first HTML file. Press this plus icon. Okay, new file. Press this and we will name it table, for example, table.html. Press enter. So this is our first HTML file. Okay, now what we should do, we should write now our HTML code. Okay, so for the HTML code now, I will not teach you how to write the code. This was how to run the first file. Okay, I will come here and I will just copy the HTML code. Okay, this code. Okay, so let's copy this code. This is HTML code, this table. So after copying that, I will paste that here. Okay, then I will save it. Okay, press Ctrl S button, so it will be saved inside this file, this code. Okay, so after saving this, now we would like to run it. Okay, so to run it, for that we will install an extension. For that, come here to the left sidebar, we have extension. Okay, this icon, press this one, extension, and we will run right here default browser. Okay, simply we will search browser or open in browser, this first extension. Okay, open in browser, open it and install it. Okay, it has 9 million download. Install it. So after installing it, whenever you want to delete it, so you can disable or uninstall it also. After installing it, now we will run our code. Okay, through that. So come here to the HTML file, back to your coding section. Okay, right click. After right click, open in default browser. See this one. Okay, open in default browser or open in other browser. So I will open in default browser. Okay, see, our HTML file is running right now. Okay, so this is our HTML file that we has run. Whenever you want to make changes, just change the code, okay, that you want. For example, you want to delete this line, save it, and let's go back. Let's refresh it. See that line has gone. So this is how you can run your first HTML file. Okay, and set up Visual Studio Code for running your first HTML file. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.